I go on and on. I've been an Eagles fan since the day I was born. Let's go. Saquon, the American dream. We got it in the bag since he on the team. Let's go. Let's hunt. Yo, Hurst play ball. They love to hate, but that's not okay, y'all. That's not okay. It's the return to Brandon Graham. I'm too lit. Three-peat. I bet them Chiefs ain't gonna do shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy game day appetizer using beef smoked sausage. The ingredients that we're going to need today are white vinegar, brown black pepper, Dijon mustard, brown sugar, and beef smoked sausage. We need 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of brown black pepper, 1 12-ounce package of beef smoked sausage. Now we're going to cut our beef smoked sausage into bite-sized pieces. Next, to a heated pot, we're going to add in our brown sugar. You're going to add in your vinegar, brown black pepper, and also we're going to add in our Dijon mustard. Now we're going to mix everything until it's liquefied. Once it's done, you can turn off your heat. Now to our sauce, we're going to add in our sausages. Now you just want to coat them with your sauce. You want to make sure they're all coated nicely. Once they're well coated, you want to set your oven to 375 degrees. Now we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now you want to go ahead and take your sausages out of the pot and spread them out onto your baking sheet. You want to leave the remainder of your sauce in your pot. We're going to use it again. Now you can place your sausages into the oven at 375 degrees. You want to bake them for 15 minutes. Okay guys, these are our sausages after the 15 minutes in the oven. So now you want to place them back into your sauce and we're going to coat them one more time. Okay guys, now you want to coat them one more time. Then we're going to place them onto our baking sheet, again lined with parchment paper. Okay guys, they're ready to go back into our oven one more time at 375 degrees for another 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our beef smoked sausage game day appetizers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?